Hello, my beautiful people. Good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all with your time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Obidia. Welcome to Obidia TV, my people. So, my people, today's story, I don't know, maybe una go don't see this video for a day for different social media. Woman will sell our pikin, newborn pikin. Maybe una go don't see the video, but just in case una never see am, make you sit down, relax, make you watch and hear. Make una watch this video, then I go come back. Oh, we need to reason am together. Make una tell me wetin una think say if they use this kind woman. So make una relax, make una watch this video, then I go come back, make we finish the gist together. Thank you. See you soon, guys.
The mother of the baby, Blessing Ogeva, now in police net, was said to have traveled to Lagos after a disagreement with her husband, Joshua Iworo. While in Lagos State, the said Blessing Ogeva called and announced to her husband that she is pregnant. The man, who was furious, rejected the pregnancy, and the woman, upon her return from Lagos, approached one Felicia Imagwawanwo, who promised to take care of the pregnancy and buy the baby after delivery. The idea to sell the baby was brought to the knowledge of the supposed father, who then gave his consent. The woman gave birth in one of the clinics in Upper Sakuba Road in Benin City, and the baby boy was bought same day for the sum of 300,000 naira. The said 300,000 naira was handed over to the man, Joshua Iworo, but trouble started when the mother of the baby requested for a part of the money to start a business. The man was then able to produce 28,000 naira out of the initial 300,000 naira. The woman consequently reported her husband to the police. Upon an extensive investigation by men of the Anti-Human Trafficking of the Edo State Police Command, the baby was rescued and retrieved from the buyer. The police then arrested the couple and the buyer of the baby. They narrate their level of involvement.
Your name?
My name is Felicia.
Felicia, what do you have?
I'm just the helper today.
Helper as in how?
You get this girl, you get belly.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
You say you no give am belly.
Yes.
Say this man.
Look here, guys.
This man say go Lagos. Say go do prostitution. You no give am belly. So this man come dey beat am. Say may carry the baby come off for her. Say na Lagos time for bring the belly. So this girl come say she want go abort the belly. Now we say no. Say she not go fit abort the belly. I not get money with them till they abort belly. We not get money. So at the end of the day, this man come see the beat am. May carry the baby to
Who is this man?
for us.
Who will be? Who are you in this matter?
She's my wife.
She's your wife. Okay.
So I can't advise her. Say no, it's not right to abort the baby. Now I come ask and say, you not get sister where go assist you. He say no, say for his sister, may his sister say may go drink snapper. May die with the baby. Now say no, it can't possible.
So what you can advise?
So I can't take care of her. They take care of her. I can't still carry and go church for prayer. After I got born, for that hospital, I come tell her, say, take the baby. Say no, say no, carry, now say carry, say no. So that's okay. After then, I come give her 300,000 because it make me start off with single do.
So you collect the baby from her?
I come collect the baby from her. So even after I collect, I still dey come.
Where you can't carry the baby go?
I can't go out.
So where police will catch you? How this matter can't reach police hand?
So as the matter can't reach police hand, he said the 300,000 when me give am, may take start up business. Say
when you take by the baby now, so police talk now.
Where man no come give am again.
Who you give the money to?
I give am. I give am to the man.
They confuse also. That 300,000.
Yeah.
Who you give her to before they give you the baby?
Okay, who I give the money to?
Yes.
I say may I give, I say no, may I give the husband. I may I give and give the money.
Okay, go on.
The man
what can happen now?
He said this man only want to shop the money. The picky way say no be you, we carry come for Lagos. after the money don't come now, this man.
So who can go report for police now?
So I don't know who go report to police. I don't know who go report. Bless your giver.
Huh?
Bless your giver.
Just go straight to. You said the baby. For how much? 300,000. What did I agree?
We agree say she'll take care of the baby. Then she'll give me money to start up the business after the delivery.
Okay. Then what you can resort to police matter now? Higher police can't enter matter.
After the money don't finish, whether is money finished.
Who use the money?
My husband.
Okay.
So because I say now me want start business now, money wey dey pay me my start business. I not see when me for come start. So I can't go. The matter can't cost story that day.
Between you and your husband. You marry you officially, pay your dowry.
No.
You can just leave.
Yes.
But now really give you that belly.
Yes.
It's not being now.
Nine.
Then what you can cause argument for that?
I get 3 children before this belly where.
You first get 3 children for the man.
Yes.
And the children dead right now.
Yes.
What you can cause the argument now?
So the argument be say, it's after everything, my friend gather body, say go give me money, my say start business. But then
what you can cause the argument when you can't toss not being get that baby?
Okay, he say because I go Lagos, go get my brother.
How long you spend for Lagos?
About close to 2 months.
You know that time the belly enter.
I don't really get the belly before I go. Now that's why I call and say I get belly. Because I say my no carry am full. So at the end of the day I can't come back. So when I call, I say I don't feel carry the belly for years.
Now that can cause the argument.
Yes.
So now when this woman come buy the baby for 300,000, what do you can resort to police now?
After the issue of worry of money, not be money, then I can't go tell my son sister. I can't say we need to involve police when they settle the issue of baby, not be baby. Say she not understand
the matter. Okay. Now so now tell you which police station. Huh? Yes. So where the baby now?
The baby there.
Now not do naming ceremony.
No.
Okay, so you just born her. How old the baby there before you give the woman?
A day old. That is that baby day.
Okay, you only born her when the woman carry her.
Yes.
What is your name?
I'm Charles Iwo.
Huh?
Charles Iwo.
Charles Iwo. What happened? Talk now.
He said last year. Then my woman, I have a store that they're giving me. I did for her.
You pay her dowry?
No, for a battle.
But now they live together with 3 children. So what now happened to this 4th one where you consider not be you get her?
After about a month later, she now called me. I was in my brother's house. She now called me that where am I? I said I'm in my brother's house. Where are you now? He said she's in Lagos. What are you doing in Lagos? He said she's working. Where are you working? He said she's working at a provision store. About a month and 1 week. And I called her again. I was calling the number. She never used to go. There's a day I was at home. I'm in the kitchen. There's a number that called. The woman that called, and there are now people phone. Who is this? The woman now said that the couple
go straight to the money. How much got to you from the sale of the baby?
And both of us went to bank and dropped 200,000 naira.
I mean, you agreed that you should sell the baby. That's how the money came.
We didn't agree on selling it.
So why were you now using the money that came?
The money, we now dropped 200,000 at the bank, First Bank. Before then we now go with 100,000 at home. Then getting television, we now buy something of 30,000 to home. Good stuff and other things.
But now she said you didn't share part of the money for her.
No, it's not because of that.
So where's the money now? Do you still have it now?
No, the money that remaining, the remaining balance money was the one we took to home was 70,000 naira. He said 100,000. Then after that, the father now died. Okay. Then she now called me that his father is dead. Then his sister now called me, the mother's sister.
I mean, you use part of the money for burial. Everything is finished.
So after that, we balanced 200,000 at the bank. The 40,000 balance. He said something, and I give her everything, then and I took 10,000 naira.
So how much is left now, as at now?
Now it's 29,000 naira remaining. The 200,000 naira is both of us that agree that we want to use it for house issue.
The Edo State Police Relations Officer DSP Chidi Wambuzo, who confirmed the arrest, said human beings cannot be sold or bought in any part of Nigeria.
She bought the baby from them.
My people, now welcome back. Oh, I know so na the feel as I just the feel so na the feel. That is I know say for our place suffer day wey be say sometimes to even see one food eat a day it dey hard, not to talk of 3 times food a day. But still that one not be enough reason for any woman to carry belle for 9 months, 9 good months, 9 good months. You carry belle finish, come born the pikin, then get mind you want go sell your pikin. You don't know what that pikin go be tomorrow. You don't know whether na that only pikin I God want give you. You don't know the future and the destiny of that innocent child. You just sell her out. And to even think of it, the woman is very stupid, the mother of that child. 28,000 naira. Now they be one given out of the 300,000 where they sell the pikin. Now 28,000 where they refuse to give her where she want to start business. Now I make why she go call the police. And I believe say now the destiny of that child. Now I even make her why they not give her that 28,000 naira. Because I will say they give her that 28,000 naira. The police for not rescue the pikin. Baby boy, they don't rescue him. You sell your own pikin for person. You think say they want go take care of that pikin? A lot of people, they go buy that kind of pikin, go use them for manya to know what they try to talk now. They'll go use that pikin. Then you go think say, you know that na say you sell them for person. What you even they think? How our people take the reason? What is they wrong with our people this time around? I don't understand. A lot of abomination just they happen. If we they talk one today, the worst go happen tomorrow. I don't understand what they do our people. You when no say you not get what it take to take care of pikin. And they always they talk and make una they close una leg. Mostly the women. Close your only pot. I don't understand our people. That is the amount to tire me. The amount to tire me. Sometimes I go they ask myself, now the stress where me I pass through for pregnancy and the mother, all those things, now these people they pass through. I don't understand. How you go carry pikin finish for 9 months? Come pass through that labor. Born the pikin. You know say if you did that labor, you go to talk, say I don't want more, I don't want born again, I don't want born again. I don't want I give you balo. But once you don't deliver finish, you don't forget that pain. That is the joy of that pikin, you know? The joy, that is it go cover all the pain and stress when you pass through. So why they go get mad, go to sell pikin? I don't understand. They are all blood and fire. I don't understand. Are they really okay? I don't think these people are okay. Now, wow, my people are beg, make una shook mouth for this matter. I still talking for the other one that day. That Yoruba sister, wake meme a whole pikin. Mona see this one now. Are these people okay? I don't understand though. Mona chook mouth both my people. Any woman and man we don't know how to do papa and mama thing, is supposed to know say if you do and finish, something there we go follow am. If you not prevent as you dey do am. So something go follow am, which is responsibility of a child. Now they come. So if you know say una never ready, mona dey close una leg well. Close am well. I beg my people, I don't want to make this video too long. Make una leave una comment, una contribution on the comment section. I'm gonna share this video, my people. Make it go round. Because the more you share this video going round, I believe we go a lot of people, mostly the young one, where they come. So that you understand, maybe they still they pick 1 or 2 things from all this video. Where would they do? You understand? They put there. Mona help us they share them so that the thing they go round. Thank you, my people. I appreciate you coming back to my YouTube channel. God bless you all. If you have not part of my family, please press that red subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll be getting more video from me. Thank you all so much. Until I come your way again, I still remain your sister, your friend, Obidia. One love, my people. One love. Remember, if you be woman, you never ready for baby. You don't want to become mama bomb boy. They close your only pot. Where close and tight. It go be like say you want to get it big. I know they laugh for. And if they say now where that they laugh, now that they talk truth. Close your leg well. And you bros, come. Look me. If you know say you never ready, no they use sweet mouth for woman. You know some men, they can use sweet man, even bring monkey come down for up. Mona, they be careful. Waiting, you never ready. Mona, they use rubber. Ha! Now what for now? Okay, my people, see you all next time. Bye.